everybody, we are as always your hosts Arne and Carlos.
And we're so happy to welcome you to some of the most stunning islands in Norway. We are in Lofoten, north of the Arctic Circle in the land of the midnight sun. And Arne, look at this weather.
This is amazing.
Yeah.
I think we will have the midnight sun tonight. We will see it.
Tonight we're going to go to a place where you actually can't see the midnight sun in Lofoten because you need to go to the other side of the island. Or,
Yes.
or of the islands. So we're looking forward to that.
And now I think we are getting closer to our next destination.
Yeah,
I was
looking at the map. We're going to Lofoten Wool, which is a company that makes yarn.
Yeah.
Surprise, surprise.
Surprise.
There's a lot of yarn companies in Norway, and there's a lot of yarn stores in Norway, everywhere actually. Every port with Hurtigruten has at least one yarn store. And yeah, I'm looking at the map, and we are going to pass Leknes and continue to Lofoten Wool, and we should be there in about 20 minutes. So while we drive, we just have to enjoy this amazing and stunning landscape. You know, it never gets old. It's so beautiful.
See you soon.
Welcome! So cool to see you here. Really, really great. So, do you want me to show you the happy sheep?
Yeah,
We heard they're very happy, but then again, when you live like this,
Why shouldn't you be happy?
why shouldn't you?
I know they would be happy.
Yeah, let's
Of
go
course.
see the happy sheep.
Yes. Come on, come on!
Oh, look at this one. Oh, they're very
So-
cuddly, huh?
You know, the name of this girl is actually Vega,
Vega.
Oh,
and this is Frøya.
our dog is Freya.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Hi.
They're not scared at all. They're like so friendly.
They're not
Yeah.
shy, huh?
No, they were.
Oh, sweet.
You know, this is the lamb's wool, so this wool is the same quality all the way. But when they get older, they would have this very thin, soft fibers close to the body, and they would develop more like a covering here,
Yeah.
which will be more like a kind of raincoat.
Nice.
So those here will be much stiffer and very good for socks.
They look very happy here, I can tell.
And
Yeah.
you do all the dyeing also?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's go have a
show
look.
You. I'll show you.
You have to look.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like a barn anymore.
No. Looks like a lovely shop with lovely yarn and lovely knitted products, I see. Ooh, and lots of nice, lovely yarn here. Great colors. Is it a local design or is it something?
Yeah, so this is my design, but you know, all these ones are universal, I think.
Absolutely.
And this one is the green club. What do you call it?
Oh,
Clover.
the clover.
Yeah, which brings luck in Norway if you find one with 4, leaves. So this one I made.
Yeah.
Very
But all the
nice.
other ones are
These are
Traditional,
common.
yes.
Common.
seen
Yeah.
this in Selbu mittens also.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're all
We
traditional.
also use this one.
Yeah.
But very nice, lovely. And I like all the different colorways you can use.
And the black color is actually the color of the sheep.
Yes.
And the yellow is tansy, this dried flower that we're picking here locally.
Oh, nice.
And the red is madder.
Ah.
Wow.
I personally I like the natural black and the natural white as opposed to like the dark black and the very optic white. So it gives the sweater a little more life, I think. When
So that's this color.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's really nice.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
We got it in 2-ply and 3-ply. So this is 3-ply, this
And is it
thickness.
spun here as well?
It is spun down on the west coast in Hillesvåg.
Oh,
in
Hillesvåg.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
our friends in Hillesvåg.
Yeah. It's very
Yeah.
lovely old
Yeah.
Yeah.
spinning mill.
And I love
it.
the machines they have.
Maybe we've seen your yarn there.
Oh.
They have it.
They don't
Because-
sell it.
But they don't sell it.
They
Maybe
just-
we saw the wool because we were there and they showed us these bags with wool.
Yeah.
Could have been
Like
from
the
here.
natural color. From
Yeah. Could
Probably
well be.
your-
Could well
could
be
be
my wool. Yeah.
And then I see you've got kits.
Yeah. There's a neck in lamb's wool, a hat, a lot of different kind of mittens.
Oh, nice. I like these mittens. I think these probably are popular, huh?
Yeah, these
Yeah.
are very popular. These are called winter rose.
There you
So
go.
that's also, this is a little bit of white wool with the black sheep wool, and then it's also the yellow dyed. These sheep are from Røst, the outermost island here in Lofoten. and they would bring the sheep out by boat to these mountains, as they call it, and there's a lot of seabirds breeding there.
Yeah.
You could tell this is Lomvi, one of the birds, and this is Alke, one of the other birds.
Very nice.
And they would fertilize the grass. So the grass is super, super, super rich. And that gives very good wool.
Nice.
You see? Yeah, very nice.
So
Like
it's
the
actually,
quality.
the birds are actually helping out, making nice wool.
So this yarn, is that from your happy sheep?
Oh no, these are from some other happy sheep. My happy sheep are over here.
Ah,
So you have a lot of happy
okay.
sheep.
Yeah. You see this picture here? These are mine.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
Now you can see them also with a bit more wool.
Yeah.
And they have contributed to this.
So that's from Vega or Fröja? Or
Well, they have just been born, you know, Vega and Fröja, so we haven't
okay.
shared them yet.
No.
But in the autumn, we would make yarn from them.
Okay.
For
And
sure.
this is a
for sure.
natural color.
Yes, this is the grey, which is very typical for that kind of sheep. That's called storm. And this is full
Full
storm.
storm.
It's a
Yeah.
bit darker.
Very nice.
This is the storm and this is the
full storm.
full storm.
Yeah.
The same in English.
Absolutely the
Yeah.
same.
And then this is also an English name, sand.
Sand.
This is the beach from where these sheep live.
In Lofoten. I
They are a
suppose.
little bit bigger kind of sheep,
Yeah.
but they also got the same kind
And
of
they're
wool.
yours?
They're not, this is my boyfriend's sheep.
Oh, okay.
The same breed.
There's a
No.
lot of sheep
No,
here.
no, no.
huh?
Yeah. It's a larger kind of sheep. It's called spelsau.
That's partial. Yeah.
So it's got a more shiny
Yeah.
touch to the fibers.
Nice.
And then we have these ones, which is from only our sheep. So it's called a
Sørveggen.
Sørveggen, the
Yeah,
south
the
wall.
The south wall where you get the sun, right?
Yeah.
That's the best wall.
Exactly. So it used to be red, but it's turned grey.
Ah.
So this is the wool that my sheep really knows
I
well.
like the names you have.
Yeah,
the
it's
names are
important.
great.
It's good names.
And these are super for socks.
That's a sock yarn.
Yeah. And you can also buy this same kind of wool in thin one ply.
Yeah, to add for the heel and
Exactly.
yeah.
So Arne, that was a very interesting visit. Lots and lots of information.
I think it was really nice.
Yeah. And she was a nice person.
She was a nice
huh?
person.
Ragnhild was really nice.
And you know, she is originally from close to where I come from.
Yeah, she said that she was from Lillehammer.
Yeah.
And did you feel you learned something there?
I learned a lot.
You know what I
think
learned?
No.
How to tie knots with silk thread.
And I liked it, and it was nice to actually meet the happy sheep and
Yeah.
meeting her. And
I fell in love with Vega and Freya. They were the sweetest
that was
sheep
so
ever.
cute.
Yeah.
And I purchased yarn. I
Yeah,
bought
of course you did.
three skeins of yarn, so it's enough for 2 pairs of socks with the reinforcement yarn.
Yeah.
So
So we're all set.
we have something to do when we come home.
Yeah.
That's nice.
And then when we wear the socks, we'll always remember the beautiful moments we spend in Stamsund together with Ragnhild and the happy
The
sheep
happy
from
sheep.
Lofoten.
Yeah, that's nice.